To conclude our lineup today, please give a huge round of applause to our final speaker, Tenzin.
Tenzin died for Tibet. He self-immolated himself in front of the UN headquarters on July 2nd around 5 to 6 p.m. He sacrificed himself for a belief that Tibet will someday be free. He died in hope for a new era of Tibet. Tibet was a peaceful country that never got in any international wars, but the Chinese took over for no reason. The UN isn't helping, so it's up to us to make Tibet a new place, a free country. In his last message, he wished that instead of Tibet splitting apart, they all come together to work together to free Tibet. Tenzin didn't just sacrifice himself for Tibet. He sacrificed himself for the children who get sent to boarding school, where the Chinese can wipe their knowledge about Tibet. The Panchen Lama, who was in prison at 6 years old and has been in jail for 31 years and still is to this day. And the most of all, the Dalai Lama, so he can return to the Potala Palace and that Tibet can be free, because Tibet was never part of China. Never forget that you are Tibetan, and we all are. One nation, one blood. Rest in peace, Pawo Lurga Lanza and the other 170 other Tibetans that self-immolated. We will never forget your deeds. Jalo! Jalo! Free Tibet! China out of Tibet now! Thank you. Hey, sorry.